How to create Facebook page. Firstly, open up a Facebook and go to hamburger icon and you scroll it down, and then the pages menu, just click on the option, and here on the top left corner you can see create option. Tap on the option and click on get started, and from here enter your page name, click on next and select your category, click on create, and after that fill out the general description, your contact, give your phone number, location and your availability. After that, set up your profile picture and click on next, and after you're done, your new page will be created, and you can see here, and in this way you can create a page on Facebook.